Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Make Money with George. This is George speaking. Today we have a whiteboard animation video on affiliate marketing. Have you ever wondered how people make money online without creating products? The secret lies in affiliate marketing, a powerful method where you earn commissions by promoting products from other companies. Whether you are new to online business or looking to increase your income, this video will break down the basics in a simple and structured way. By the end, you'll understand key terms, how to get started, and how to scale up your earnings. So let's dive in. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Instead of creating a product yourself, you partner with companies to help them sell theirs. Every time someone purchases through your unique affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. It's a win-win. Business get more sales and you get paid for helping them find customers. It's like being a virtual salesperson, but instead of working on a 9-to-5 job, you work on your own terms. Affiliate marketing involves four key players. First, we have the merchant. This is the company that owns the product. Then we have the affiliate marketer. That's you, the one promoting the product. Next, we have the consumer, the person who buys the product through your link. Finally, we have the affiliate network, a platform that connects affiliates with merchants, tracks sales, and ensures commissions are paid. These four elements work together to create a seamless marketing system. Affiliate links are unique URLs that track sales from your referrals. When you sign up for an affiliate program, you receive a special link that contains a tracking code. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, the system records that sale under your name. This way, companies can accurately credit you for driving sales and reward you with commissions. These links are crucial because they ensure that you get paid for the effort you put into promoting products. Affiliate programs work in different ways. The most common is pay-per-sale, PPS, where you earn a commission only when someone buys a product through your link. Then there is pay-per-lead, PPL. You get paid when someone signs up for a free trial or submits a form. Lastly, we have pay-per-click, PPC, where you earn money just by driving traffic to a website, regardless of whether the visitor makes a purchase. Understanding these models helps you choose the best strategy for your business. To start earning as an affiliate, you need to join an affiliate program. Some popular platforms include Amazon Associates, which is great for beginners, ClickBank, which offers digital products, and ShareASale, which connects you with various brands. Signing up is usually free, and once approved, you'll receive your unique affiliate link. Choosing a niche is one of the most important steps in affiliate marketing. A niche is a specific topic or industry that you focus on. Some profitable niches include health and wellness, technology, personal finance, and gaming. The best niche for you is one that you are passionate about and has high demand. This makes it easier to create valuable content and attract the right audience. Not all affiliate products are created equal. To maximize earnings, look for products with high commissions, at least 20%, low competition, less saturated markets, and recurring commissions like subscriptions that pay monthly. Researching demand using tools like Google Trends and checking customer reviews can also help you find the best products to promote. A website acts as your affiliate marketing headquarters. While some affiliates use social media or YouTube alone, having a website gives you credibility and central place to drive traffic. You can create blog posts, product reviews, and comparison guides. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace make it easy to build a professional website in minutes. One of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products is through blogging. Writing in-depth product reviews, how-to guides, and listicles with your affiliate links naturally attracts readers who are already interested in the products. The key is to provide genuine value so that people trust your recommendations. YouTube is a powerful tool for affiliate marketing. People love watching video reviews before making a purchase. You can create unboxing videos, tutorials, and comparisons. Make sure to include your affiliate link in the description and mention it in the video so viewers know where to buy the product. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X allow you to reach a massive audience. You can create engaging content such as short videos, reels, and infographics to promote your affiliate links. Remember to always provide value first and then subtly introduce products within your content. Building an email list is one of the best long-term strategies for affiliate marketing. With email, you can develop a personal relationship with your audience and promote products directly. The key is to offer something valuable, like a free guide, in exchange for their email address. Then nurture them with helpful content before introducing affiliate offers. SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization, is the process of making your content rank on Google. If your blog post appears on the first page of search results, more people will click your affiliate links. Use keywords that people search for, write detailed and informative articles, and get backlinks from reputable websites to boost rankings. If you want faster results, paid ads can drive instant traffic to your affiliate links. Google Ads and Facebook ads allow you to target specific audiences based on interests and demographics. However, this method requires investment and careful planning, so always test small before scaling up. A sales funnel is a structured path that guides potential customers from awareness to purchase. Instead of sending people directly to an affiliate link, a sales funnel helps capture leads, nurture them, and increase conversions. A simple funnel starts with a landing page offering a free guide in exchange for an email. Then, through a series of automated emails, you provide value and introduce your affiliate products. This method builds trust and increases the likelihood of sales. Affiliate products can be classified into low ticket, cheap but sell easily, and high ticket, expensive but offer higher commissions. Promoting low ticket items like books or gadgets may lead to frequent sales, but commissions are small. On the other hand, high ticket products like premium software, coaching programs, or luxury goods offer commissions of $500 or more per sale. Choosing between the two depends on your marketing strategy. One of the best ways to earn passive income with affiliate marketing is by promoting products that offer recurring commissions. These are subscription-based services such as web hosting, SaaS tools, and membership sites. Every time someone signs up through your link, you earn a commission every month as long as they stay subscribed. This is one of the easiest ways to build long-term income. Affiliate marketing can be automated using tools like email autoresponders like Aweber, social media schedulers like Buffer, and tracking software like Google Analytics. Automation saves time by sending emails, scheduling posts, and tracking commissions automatically. The more you automate, the more passive your affiliate business becomes. Many beginners fail in affiliate marketing due to mistakes like spamming links, not providing value, choosing the wrong niche, or giving up too soon. Focus on helping your audience first, and sales will follow. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes 3 to 6 months to see significant results and 1 year or more to make a full-time income. Stay consistent, keep learning, and your efforts will pay off. Always disclose your affiliate links. Be honest in your reviews and only promote products you believe in. Ethical marketing builds trust and long-term success. Once you start making sales, scale up by outsourcing content, reinvesting in ads, and automating email marketing. Many affiliates earn 6 figures by scaling what already works. Thousands of people make full-time incomes through affiliate marketing. From bloggers to YouTubers, the possibilities are endless. If they can do it, so can you. Affiliate marketing is a proven way to earn passive income. Now that you know the steps, take action. Pick a niche, sign up for an affiliate program, start promoting today, and stay consistent. That's my advice. The sooner you start, the sooner you can succeed. Good luck. This was an introduction to affiliate marketing. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Make Money with George, for more whiteboard animated videos like this. Hit the like button and share it with friends that may find it useful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it as much as we did. And don't forget your free gift. Check the link below.